again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the DOVOH brand, their 360 degrees self-leveling laser with pulse mode. It's IP54 waterproof, heavy-duty molded rubber construction, tripod mounts on there. It's model P3-360G. It's durable storage box. Very impressed with this box already. Just opening this up. It has really nice spring-loaded latches on there. This was totally protected. It has foam so that you could have it brought anywhere you need to have any measurements done. This product gets excellent customer ratings, has a full 2-year warranty and a 5-year accuracy warranty of the laser system on there. So this is everything that's included. There's a lot going on here. We're going to take this out, put it on the table, then we're going to give this thing a try. So here's everything out of the box. It has a nicely written instruction booklet. It has a charger, 120 volts to USB-A, an independent charger right here that you can put USB-A in and charge the battery, and 2 batteries. These are 2600 milliamp hour. One of these is already in the device powering it right now. We have a remote that's got the battery in there. You can see I'm changing the modes right on this right here, real time. That's a really nice touch. And you can see this little grid which allows you to calibrate. It has the ability to stay on a table. You have safety glasses, USB-A to C cable. This mount right here, 1/4-20 on the bottom, allows you to precisely adjust left to right if you're using a tripod. That's one way to calibrate things. Then this really cool piece right here allows you to put the unit on there, and you can slowly move this up and down this track or rapidly move it up and down. When the device is on there, you can turn it slowly, then you can lock it in place. It holds it right in place for you. And that way you can precisely put this on a wall or a cabinet. You can see it has this really spring-loaded mount on here. It allows you to put it on a cabinet or an edge or a bevel, and then you can move this up and down. This is highly damped and extremely rigid. It's on some kind of a sliding track. You can see there's a metal track inside there. Very, very high quality. It's going to keep it right in place. Then on the bottom of it, you got the option of a tripod mount, 1/4-20, or the larger size right there, which is another standard. And then you could also have this adapter. If you have that larger size, you can go to 1/4-20 just like that and allow you to use this. So they thought of everything in terms of mounting this thing and testing it. Now the pulse mode in here, I wanted to go over that. By the way, this thing's built like a tank. It's unbelievable. Let me just turn it off right now so you can see. But it's all got this rubberized coating on there. It's got a lock mode, which I just put it in. Here is the battery, slides right out. Push it right in like that. And then if you look on the side right here, there is a USB-C port, and you could use that for charging, or you can even run it without the battery. So if you have 2 dead batteries, you can still power this thing externally using the included adapter and the included cable. How cool is that? You can see there's 2 lasers on here, and that's the whole objective. You can do vertical and horizontal modes. So let's go over this pulse mode on here. Let's turn this on, and I'm going to show you. You can see there's a pulse mode right there. So it's warning me that I'm not straight. So let me just set this down on the table so that we could show you this right here. So right now I'm in horizontal mode, and I can go vertical mode right there. 2 vertical lines. You can see the vertical lines shooting out on the table. Pulse mode, if you notice, hit pulsed, you'll notice that the brightness of the beam drops considerably. And your eye's hard to see that. But what that's doing, it's pulsing the energy to save energy. It's doing that so that you can use a receiver and get a distance of about 197 feet. So I'll have a link to that receiver. It's the DOVOH DR1 laser level receiver, and you can order that and get that extra range if you want to use this outside. What it's doing, it's modulating the beam and making the beam on and off pulse, so it's lower power, but that sensor will pick it up, Kind of like how this sensor's picking it up optically, it'll pick it up optically with electronics to allow you to get that extended range. So you can just tell the way this is built. It has a rubberized coating on there, and they do drop tests on it to make sure that it stays totally safe if you're to drop it. It's really built very durable, and it does have lasers from Germany, the high power laser diodes, to project a visible green beam over a greater distance without significant loss of brightness or clarity. That alarm is important because it wants to make sure that you are calibrated, that you're in that floating mode where it's 0 degrees to the earth. This remote is really handy because you can be away from this on a tripod and still have full control of everything on here, which is nice. So as you can see, there's a vertical mode and horizontal mode. It's pretty obvious. The horizontal is this way, the vertical is this way, and you can do 2 verticals. You can see that it'll project 1 or 2 on the screen. We're going to bring this up to my living room where we can turn off the studio lights. It's really bright in here, and I'm going to demonstrate how really cool this thing is and how well it works. So upon further inspection, I just realized that this piece does have magnets on it. That's what holds it in place, allowing you to put it on any metal surface. So if you don't have the ability to use this latch, you could use the magnets right on the device, which is really nice. So here I have it on a basic tripod with the unit on, and you can see that it's on and it's going across the walls. I'm going to turn the lights off so that we can see it better, how crisp the laser really is. I'm in almost total darkness, and that is the ceiling corner right there, and you can see it's shooting across the ceiling, and here's the other wall right there. Perfect vertical line, and intersecting these pictures, these metal frames perfectly, allowing me to have lined them up perfectly. So I used that line as a reference, and then I was able to put those pictures perfectly, and I dropped them down initially for the mount nail that's on them and allowed me to put them exactly in place. But look how sharp that laser line really is, and if you were laying tiles on your floor, doing anything like that, you could actually use those as a reference. If you're laying a door, you can use the vertical line as a perfect reference for the door. They even have a section how to align it with the door if you have a way to do that, if you have a door that's really accurate. And it's even shining in the other room and across the hall right there. And you can see it on the floor, the part that's intersecting there, and on my floor right there, and across even the dresser and on the wall with a really sharp line. So it's a very bright laser, very easy to see. You'll be able to do a lot of alignment tricks with this to help you align anything, picture frames, tile. It's excellent for something like that. It really works really well. All these attachments you have to adjust this thing, tripod mounts, remote on there, which is really excellent. All the different modes of operation, the ability to lock mode, the fact that this thing is built like a tank with safety alarms warning you about the stability, everything you need, the safety glasses, this calibration tool, this other tool allowing you to put it on a tripod and adjust it to 2 batteries, which one is inside, the charger cable instruction booklet, everything's here you're going to need, and of course that amazing case that I showed earlier that is just totally durable. It's going to keep everything in place, safe for you to bring on a job site or keep it in your home. I'm impressed with this product, the way they thought everything out. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.